From above and at an angle, a housing community fills a block. From above, a pool in the courtyard has deck chairs on 3 sides and a jacuzzi next to it. A sign on stone entrance columns reads, "The Blossoms at Brentwood, 2255 Amber Lane." Deck chairs line the pool. Units with balconies on the 2nd and 3rd floors are seen over a fence. An open and airy community room with a high ceiling features a couch, fireplace and game table. A kitchenette with bar stools is behind the game table. A chrome exhaust fan hangs down over a cooktop on a center island. A monitor is on a wall above cabinets beyond a conference table in a conference room. Several units with balconies sit below a blue sky. A kitchen features a kitchen island with tall chairs and chrome appliances. Next to the kitchen, in an open floor plan, is a living room with an artistic modern side table with decor under a wall print. Across from the table is a couch and wooden coffee table. An arched chrome faucet with a lever handle is over the kitchen sink. The cabinets have square long silver pulls. A bedroom features a bed with a white comforter, a headboard with 2 hanging pads, and a dark wood highboy dresser. Another bedroom with a white open doorway features a bed with a white comforter and throw with a tall gray fabric headboard with 2 padded backrests, a dark wood nightstand with a lamp and a double window. A gym features treadmills and other machines. Rows of barbells, a weight machine and a bench sit in the gym with a mirror that covers one wall. Kettlebells, medicine balls and other equipment sit on a rack next to a wall of windows. A wooden arbor frames a path in the courtyard garden. Orange curved and straight slides feature prominently in a round playground encircled by a path in the courtyard. From below, orange spheres and other shapes dot climbing ropes in the playground. Trees stretch across a section of landscaping next to a large lawn in the courtyard. Round wooden patio tables and chairs sit on a tiled deck in the courtyard. A transfer chair sits next to the jacuzzi. A round columnar table sits between 2 deck chairs. The sun shines through a row of deck chairs under a slatted roof. A row of deck chairs lines the end of the pool. Behind is the jacuzzi and a changing area with showers. 2 wall showers are attached to a wooden wall in an open area of the changing area, under a roof. Tables and chairs sit under a slatted roof area. String lights zigzag over an outdoor seating area on a tiled deck in the courtyard with padded chairs and a couch. Lawns in the courtyard are separated by strips of landscape and slatted roof arbors. From above and at an angle, the complex sits next to an open undeveloped area and a green field. From above, the complex with parking areas surrounded by undeveloped land. The image moves into the pool area in one courtyard, then to the lawn and playground in the next courtyard. From above and at an angle, the pool sits next to a community building, with rooftop utility equipment in the foreground and a parking lot on the far side of the community building. The complex turns within the wide open area beyond. Icons: equal housing opportunity. Wheelchair accessible.